the spark, the ember unseen, building my throne in the cracks in between. You wrote my name in whispers and lies, but every secret just made me rise. You played your hand, you took your aim, but every wound just fed the flame. Now the dark has found its king. Bow to me, let the anthem ring. They call me a curse, they call me insane, but I wear the hate like a golden chain. From the ashes I forge my crown, I'll tear your heroes down. I'm the villain in your story, the chaos in your glory. I'll be the shadow in your light, the storm you cannot fight. Just say just what is scared, no advice I'm prepared. I'm the king they'll never see, and you will bow to me. Rise and watch your world burn in my eyes. You built your walls with brittle stone, but the cracks have turned your pride to bone. I am the storm, the voice you denied, the monster made by your own lies. Your world of gold, the rust and fade. I'll dance on the ruins your heroes made. No mercy lives within my soul. This is my rise, this is my goal. They call me a beast, a demon, a scar, but I turn their hate